Okay guys, grow the farm up. I finally got a minute. Let's take a quick tour of my seed corn plant. It starts up here at the dock. We've got good buddy Nate running trucks today. Walking floor semi into a walking floor unloader. 53-foot walking floor semi, nice stairs built there. And then it unloads onto this walking floor, and you can see the corn moving onto this conveyor. This rake evens the flow of corn out. This is hybrid seed corn production. And now up the conveyor we go. You can see the corn running up into the building. This is where the husks go. We'll show you where they get rehusked inside here. Okay, now inside, gonna get noisy. This is where the conveyor, the corn from down there, drops into this conveyor and runs onto these. They call this a tilt bed with auto shears that I have a program set up for. We'll watch them close and open once here. See? They close nicely. And then they dump the corn down into these little Menard conveyors. They dump the corn down in there. Now we'll go take a look at some real live Nebraska corn huskers. Okay, from up top, the corn gets dumped onto these conveyors, runs backwards into shaker pan. The shaker pan then to the husker. The husker, well, it's self-explanatory. It's meant to pull the husks off and any stalks. You can see here's the husk belt going out of the building. Auto grease system, very nice dehumidifying compressor, takes all the water out of the compressor now onto the automated sorting system, in which the corn then from the huskers, from the end of the huskers, drops onto another set of shaker pans and goes onto these lanes of huskers. And you can see there's one of the husks. See how it fell through? This is a great variety. There's not a lot to husk here, so as you can see, there's a husk. There's a husk. Every time these cameras, there's a camera on bottom and a camera on top that pick up the corn, and they tell it whether to reject the bad stuff or whether to husk it. Very nice setup. We keep a couple of guys here sorting. That's the husk rerun. That goes back up to the top of the tilt bed. Now we're gonna go outside here. Not getting a phone call, gonna have to wait. Okay, now here is the husk conveyor. This is where the husks are going. And they go up to the top of that conveyor into the trailers. and then we dump them in the pile, and they make great feed. And now we're going to take a quick trip up to the top of the dryer, and that only concludes the first, really, half of the tour. Over there is the sheller building, where once we dry the corn out, we shell it, and then we go put it into those nice hopper bins that you guys have seen. Dang it, sound like we got a squeaky roller there. That won't do. From one conveyor to the next. And now we're on the top of the dryer. That is fully sorted, husked, automatically sorted, fully husked, pure good seed product. And it goes down into a bin that looks like this. That bin's got about 3/4 of a truck in it, and it can hold about 3 trucks. We've got some larger size bins here. This is a larger bin of corn. Very good looking seed here. Very good looking seed here. Now let's jump across and take a look at some empty bins. Okay, this is an empty bin. You can see you don't want to fall in. They're 20 plus feet deep, 24 feet deep, 24 feet wide. And they're shelling this one empty. They're just getting ready to clean that one out. And that is the first half of the Lauber Seed Farms a green corn husk and sort facility tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have any questions, comment below, and I will catch the shelling side of the operation with my next video. This awful busy time of year, it's tough to find time to make videos. Here, we'll watch this semi back up. Make this video just a minute longer than it should be. We'll watch this semi back up here to the trailer, or excuse me, the trailer back up to the walking floor. Nice plant, completely independently owned, 100% independently owned. We're independently breeding higher nutrient dense seed. Well, my phone's blowing up with phone calls and texts and stuff. I suppose I better answer them. All right, guys, grow the farm up. Thanks.